Hello and welcome back to Igbo Online College. No, not Igbo Online College. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, tell me what you are waiting for. What are you still waiting for? Please go right ahead and press the red button. Remember the bell beside it. Press it so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. Thank you. So today I want to teach you colors in Igbo. What are colors called in Igbo? Now, a point to note is this. Colors are taken or derived from what they look like. For instance, blood is obara and it is red. So when something is red, you say it is obara. So we repeat it. It is the colors, you repeat it. So we have obara. That is how it is. It is the language, the nature of the language. So let's go. Oji means black or dark. Ocha, white, clean. Obara means red. Meme, they are the same thing. It's either you say obara or you say meme. Obara is blood, me is blood. So when something is red, we say no, it is obara or meme. Edo, yellow. Uri, blue. Nchara, brown. Nchara is rust. Nto, gray or ash. Uhie, orange. So let's make sentences with these colors. Now I can say Apa oji, black bag. Zotaram apa oji. Buy me a black bag. Zotaram apa oji. Buy me a black bag. Zotara, buy for me, buy for. Me, apa oji, black bag, a black bag. So, apa oji, zotaram apa oji. You can say, enwerem apa oji. I have a black bag. Enwerem, I have apa oji, a black bag. If you don't want to use yourself, you can say, Onwere, he or she has a black bag. Onwere apa oji. So it could be Nwanyị oji. Talking about a dark woman. Nwanyị is woman. Oji is dark, black. Nwanyị oji, dark woman. Abum nwanyị oji. I am a dark woman. Igbo nwanyị oji. You are a dark woman. Igbo nwanyị oji. You are a dark woman. Then if you want to say that she or he is dark, you say Odi oji. Odi oji. He or she is dark complexioned. Odi oji. Adim oji. I am dark in complexion. Italia? Did you understand that? Good job. So this could also be Nwoke oji. So you see, you could just remove this Nwoke and put anything here. then OG, it means that whatever is before this OG is black in color. All right. Let's go to ọcha. Nwoke ọcha. Nwoke ọcha. Nwoke ọcha, a fair man. Nwoke ọcha, fair man. Akwa ọcha, white cloth. So anything you place before the color means that that thing has that color. Is that okay? Do you understand what I'm saying? Good job. Okay, let's make few sentences with this. Akwa ọcha dị n'akpa ya. Akwa ọcha dị n'akpa ya. White cloth is in his or her bag. White cloth is in his or her bag. Akwa ọcha dị n'akpa ya. White cloth is in his or her bag. Say it. Akwa ọcha dị n'akpa ya. Good job. Let's go to ọbara ọbara. Mkpịsị odee a bụ nke ọbara ọbara. Akwa ọbara ọbara. Akwa ọbara ọbara. Red cloth. Okay, I can say ọ na-acha. Ọ na-acha ọbara ọbara. Ọ na-acha ọbara ọbara. Ọ na-acha ọbara ọbara. It is red in color. It is red in color. Okay. So you could just say ọ na-acha if you want to say that something is any color in any color. You say ọ na-acha, you then write the color. Ọ na-acha. Or you say akpa m na-acha. Let me just write it. Isi m na-acha ọcha. My hair, isi, when you talk of isi, it's not head. Isi m na-acha ọcha. My hair is white. My hair, the hair on my isi is head actually, but at times we interchange them. We use isi to mean hair or head, depending on the context. So now, in this context, it could mean isi my hair is white, or isi na-acha awọ. Awọ is gray. Isi na-acha awọ. Awọ, gray. Gray means the person has gray hairs. So it could be anything. You can just write whatever you want and say na-acha. Na-acha, whichever color. If it is ọcha, ọbara ọbara, mmemme, except for this, you cannot say na-acha oji. You say na-eji oji. You say na-eji oji. Ọ na-eji oji. He, she, or it is dark in color or black. Ọ na-eji oji, not ọ na-acha oji. But it could be ọ na-acha other colors, but not oji. You say ọ na-eji oji or akpa m na-eji oji. Akwa ahụ na-eji oji. That cloth is black in color. So, should we do other colors too? Okay, let's have one more color, but the pattern is the same thing. The pattern is the same thing. You just say whatever you want to say the color. Nacha. These colors apart from black. Then when you want to talk about black, say neji dash neji oji. Phone neji oji. My phone is dark in color. Ekwenti means phone. Ekwenti neji oji. My phone is dark in color. Okay. Akwa ya na-acha uhie uhie. Akwa ya na-acha uhie uhie. Her dress is orange in color. Her dress is orange. Oyi akpụkpọ ụkwụ. Oyi akpụkpọ ụkwụ mmee. He or she is wearing a black footwear, a red footwear rather. He or she is wearing a red footwear. Oyi akpụkpọ ụkwụ mmemme. He or she is wearing a red footwear. So we stop here for today. I will definitely see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share, like, and comment. Remember to hit the bell so you get the notification when I post new videos. Que